I've spent more than $200 million on Facebook ads across just about every industry you can think of over the past 12 years. Give me the next 65 seconds and I'll show you how to significantly increase your Facebook ads return on ad spend and scale profitably. First, I would create a scaling campaign and a testing campaign. Scaling campaigns are for your winning ads and get most of your ad budget. Testing campaigns are for your new creative and experimentation, which is really important. Next, I would use Meta's Creator Marketplace, which is a free tool, to find, contact, and hire creators and influencers to make your Facebook and Instagram video ads for you that promote your products and services. Yes, this costs money, but if you work with the right creators that have influence over your target market, nothing improves your ROAS faster. Make sure you run these videos as partnership ads and make sure that you've got the Meta Pixel and the Conversions API set up and installed correctly. You need accurate data in your ad account. Then obsess over your customer lifetime value. The more money you make from your customers with repeat purchases and subscriptions and referrals, the more you can afford to pay to acquire them in the first place and the easier Facebook ads becomes. And lastly, make sure you subscribe to my channel, the biggest by far when it comes to learning Facebook ads.